Hi my lovely viewers, this is Aloyti World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you browser privacy, mark password, allow Windows single sign on for school accounts in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox. Here I have been pinned it before. Go to this and enter the 3 bar icons and we will click the settings option here. Now we will press the privacy and security that we can do the things. So in scrolling in below side we will get the password options. So in password here we will get the allow Windows single sign on for Microsoft work and school accounts. So we'll work this school accounts. If we want to learn more things, then click here, then we will get the details and supported from the Mozilla Firefox. So see, we will allow this thing or selected this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.